Ellen AI has just dropped SERA. SERA makes it practical for indie developers and small teams to train their own AI coding agents specialized to their private code bases, something that was previously only feasible for well-resourced labs. In this video, we are going to unpack this SERA. We are going to do a local demo to see how exactly this works. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. So what exactly is happening in this open coding agent or SERA? So look, the traditional methods require expensive reinforcement learning infrastructure that could cost tens of thousands of dollars or complex bug injection pipelines. SERA achieves this same result for just $400 using simple supervised fine tuning. The key innovation here is soft verification. So instead of running expensive unit tests to validate synthetic training data, SERA just compares code patches line by line. This removes the need for test infrastructure entirely, which lets you generate thousands of training examples for any code base, including your private repos, in hours rather than weeks, and that is huge. They have released different model sizes from 8 billion to 32 billion in various flavors. You can check it out. And I'm going to install the 8 billion one to see how exactly it goes. I will be talking more around its architecture, but for now, let's get the installation underway. This is my Ubuntu system which I'm going to use. I have one GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very good prices, you can find the link to Master Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. So the tool which I'm going to use in order to get it installed is VLLM. If you don't know what VLLM is, how to get it installed, just go to my channel and search with VLLM or tutorial. You will find a lot of videos to get it installed either on CPU or GPU or in various ways for every operating system. I already have it installed. So first up, let me log into Hugging Face and download the model. I'm just logging into the CLI. I'm pasting my read token, which is a free read token that you can also obtain from your profile. So you can see that I am now logged in. And now let's download the model. Let's wait for it. And while it downloads, let's talk around its architecture as I was referring to earlier. So if you look at this diagram, this gives you a bit of a picture as how exactly they are trying to make it work in as efficient way as possible. So there is a two-stage process, as you can see, to generate high quality training data. In rollout 1, a teacher model like GLM 4.6 starts from a random function in your own code base. It receives a vague instructions like fix a bug downstream, and then it produces a trajectory and code patch. This trajectory is then converted into synthetic pull request description. Then in rollout 2, the same teacher attempts to reproduce the original patch using only that PR description, and the soft verification compares P1 and P2 using line level recall. If they overlap significantly, the trajectory becomes training data. Both rollouts are then used to fine tune a smaller student model. It could be any other model too, like Quen 3 or any other, which learns repository specific patterns and can match or exceed the teacher's performance on that code base with just 8,000 examples. And as I said, just takes around $400 to get it done, and they have all the recipes in their GitHub repo, which you can check out, and I will drop the link in video's description. They also provide a CLI for free. Now, in order to check how exactly this open coding agents are working, this is where we are installing this 8 billion model, which hopefully is already downloaded. Looks good. And now let's serve this model with VLLM. I'm just going to run this command where we are serving it locally. And the model is being served now. Let me quickly show you the VRAM consumption. So it consumes, quite a lot of VRAM, around 45 gig of VRAM, and this is a 8 billion one. Okay, so I will let it run and I will just open another window and we are going to do our demo as how exactly it works. And now we are going to test SERA out. So what I'm going to do here, I have this small buggy Python shopping cart file or code repo privately locally on my system. So what I'm expecting this model to do is to find some edge cases like missing data and empty lists. I have just made it buggy like that, this code. And this is the test code which I am going to use in order to access that VLLM endpoint and then sending it this code plus asking it to fix this Python code. Now the best use case of tools like or models like SERA is to just integrate it with them with a coding agent like Cloud Code or Maltbot, or there are heaps of them out there. So you just point it to them and then use it accordingly for pair programming, or if you just want to point them to your own repo. And as I said earlier, you can also fine tune or train them on your own private code base for just $400 as per their repo. So let me take you back and let's run this test script. And there you go. The model looks very targeted to me, by the way, because if you look at its thinking and chain of thought, it has analyzed my shopping cart code and found 4 critical bugs, as you can see here. Missing keys would crash it, empty lists were not handled, and invalid discount could break calculation. So I had a small code, but there were a lot of issues in it, and it has detected all of them in a Jiffy. Speed is also quite good. And then you see it has provided me production ready fixed code with proper validation and edge case handling. So this is a local 8 billion model matching what you would expect from Claude, I would say. So I think LNAI has done really good, and as is the case with them, and I have been covering a lot of models from them from day one. They are striving for open models, this Olmo and Bolmo, and a lot of other stuff is very, very groundbreaking. So if you're looking for a private agent, coding agent, I mean, which you could just train for a few $100s on your own private code basis, run it 100% locally, single GPU stuff, no data leaks, just pure open source coding intelligence, maybe a good option to run through. That's it. Let me know what do you think about it if you intend to integrate it with your coding model. I also might do another video where I'm going to just use the same VLLM endpoint and maybe point it to my Claude Code or any other coding assistant. Plus, someone has also ported it to Olama if you're interested in running it through Olama, but that is an not an official Alan AI's Olama version, by the way. That's it. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member, and please follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Thank you for all the support.